Hello. Welcome to iMobi support channel. In this video, we will show you how to mirror your iPhone or iPad screen to your computer using AnyMiro with Wi-Fi connection. You can mirror your iOS device screen in real time, making it perfect for live streaming, recording, or demonstrating tasks to an audience. Let's walk through the steps to mirror your iOS device to your computer using AnyMiro. Launch AnyMiro on your computer and select iOS iPadOS option. Choose Wi-Fi connection. Please keep your iPhone, iPad, and computer connected to same Wi-Fi. Then Control Center on your iPhone, iPad. Tab Screen Mirroring on iPhone. Select AnyMiro computer name once it appears. Now you can enjoy high-quality screen mirroring with AnyMiro. Display the mirroring area in the top left corner on Mac and in the top right corner on Windows. You can minimize or maximize the mirroring screen or adjust the screen size to 70%, 90%, and 100%. Pin the mirroring screen. On the right sidebar, you can manage the mirroring screens. Click on the avatar to view account details, log out of iMobi ID. Add iPhone frames. Capture and view screenshots. And record the mirroring screen. Annotate the casting content. Set mirroring resolution and frame rate preferences, screenshot and recording formats, and storage paths. Thank you for watching the video. For more information and support, visit our website or contact us directly. Happy mirroring!